Meaning of dugong.
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 Dugong. The dugong is a large marine mammal found in warm coastal waters throughout the Indo-Pacific region. It is also known as the sea cow due to its vegetarian diet and slow, grazing behavior. Dugongs are the only herbivorous members of the order Sirenia, which also includes manatees. They can weigh up to 900 kilograms and grow to over 3 meters in length. The dugong's conservation status is vulnerable, with population numbers declining due to habitat loss and hunting. However, efforts are being made to protect and conserve this unique species.